Hello everyone and welcome to today's brief lesson on like terms. So like terms are basically terms that are alike. That's it. It's not really complicated. Here, a term is a number by itself or the product of a number and a variable. Complicated explanation. Let's think of it instead as a term is a train. So the same way, when you have a train, you have the locomotive. Yes, I know that I can't draw. So let's imagine you have the locomotive, and then you have a carriage on a train, and then you have another carriage on a train, right? A term is basically a carriage on a train. So let's imagine here you have 4x plus 2y plus 3z minus 4. Yeah? Each one of these is a term. Minus 4. Each one of these is a term. They're separate compartments on a train that you hook together with the plus or the minus signs. Yeah? So, if I explain it another way, 4x, since it's the lead term, it doesn't need a plus in front of it because it's what's driving the train. It's the first term. You have your 4x plus 2y plus 3z and minus 4. Each one of these is its own term. Yes, I'm including this as its whole term. I did it separate up here to make the explanation for you, but plus 2y is a term. Plus 3z is a term. Minus 4 is a term. 4x is a term. That's it. Now, I'm sorry, it looks like I already had an explanation for you. Like terms, specifically, so let's take another example. Let's take 4x plus 3y minus 2. Like terms are terms that are alike, like I already explained earlier. So right here, the x's are one type of term, the y's are another type of term, and the negative 2's are another type of term. So if I were to group them together, the easiest way I know how to teach it is with color. All the x's will be blue, all the y's will be green, and all of the numbers by themselves will be red. Voila, you just separated terms. Okay, so for example, these. Try and separate each term in a separate color. Obviously, I'm trusting that you can do this successfully in your notes, but pause the video and try to do it. Okay, and here are the answers. Remember, if you think I'm going fast, you can pause the video. Okay, but for number 1, the 3y is one color, the minus 4z is another color, and the 5 is another color. For number 2, minus 3a is one color, plus 12b is another color, and minus 7 is another color. All of these are separate types of term. One of these has an a, one of these has a b, one of these has nothing. They're all completely different. And the last one, here, 4m is one color, plus 2n is another color, minus 180 is another color. That's, here, have some last ones to practice with. Pause the video to go ahead and do it in your notes. And here are the answers. Minus 3z is one color, plus 5 is another color, and minus 4y is one color, plus 3z is one color, minus 2 is one color. And yeah, that's pretty much it.